Fifth race attracted almost as much attention because of this guy. This is Favorite Trick, the undefeated horse of the year, making his 3-year-old debut. This time, of course, for new trainer Billy Mott. You'll see Favorite Trick breaking the number 5 in the blue silks.
And they're off in the Swale Stakes. Favorite Trick is away quickly towards the inside. On the outside, Diamond Studs. Moving through at the rail, Good and Tough. Southern Bostonian joins the leaders. Down the backstretch, it's Diamond Studs with Jerry Bailey showing the way by ahead. On the outside, Southern Bostonian puts ahead in front. Diamond Studs back to second. And here comes Don't Let the Big One Go with the black cap moving third on the outside. As last year's horse of the year, Favorite Trick is fourth at the rail, just about 2.5 from the lead. Then 2 back, Good and Tough, followed by Dice Dancer at the rail in orange. Swig is next, El Mirasol and Teddy Boy at the back of the pack. First quarter in a quick 22-1 as they round the far turn. Southern Bostonian with Shane Sellers leads it by a long neck. On the inside, it's Diamond Stud second, and here comes Don't Let the Big One Go with John Velazquez inching up on the outside. Pat Day with Favorite Trick guiding him now between horses and asking for more as Good and Tough in the purple and white swings to the middle of the racetrack in the Swale, and down the stretch they come. Southern Bostonian on the inside. Here comes Favorite Trick between horses. On the outside, Good and Tough. It's Favorite Trick getting the lead, going clear by 1. Good and Tough second. Here's the finish. Favorite Trick wins it by a length and a half.
Joseph Lacomb's Favorite Trick remains perfect. Now 9 for 9. The former $32,000 Keeneland yearling has earned almost $1.3 million. After the race, we heard from his relieved connections.
You know, we proved one thing, that he's back in a winning way, and that whatever we did with him, he responded to very well, and that he could overcome me as well as everybody else.
That's the first time he'd ever been down in a field of horses like that. It was a new experience for him, and he handled it well. So I was pleased with everything. But he's grown up and filled out, and you know, I think he's more horse this year than he was last year. So hopefully we can just go forward from this.